Basketball season is underway in 2019, and the First Baptist varsity teams are off and running. The women's team is off to a strong 5-2 start, and the men's team is now 2-1 this season. Let's take a look at some of the highlights from the home opener versus Palmetto Christian.
And now, your First Baptist Hurricane, number 2, Lexi Grant. Number 11, Mia Whitesong. Number 13, Tiana Span. Number 23, Marissa Arrigo. Number 1, Destiny Cooper. And you're listening to Coach by Presley Singleton.
Tiana Span wins the jump ball and tips it to Lexi Grant to open the game. Span gets a defensive rebound. Lexi Grant with a nice assist right back to her to put the Canes up 4 early. Grant to Span is a lethal combination early in the game as Tiana racks up a game-high 22 points along with 14 rebounds. This time it's Mia Whitesong with the dish to Span continues to finish. Now Marissa Arrigo gets in on the action with a nice mid-range jumper. Third quarter we go, it's Grant to Span for another bucket. Lexi Grant with the offensive board and nice putback. Fourth quarter now, and Maya Grant is taking over. She's weaving and cutting through defense and won't be denied. Marissa Arrigo with the steal, and Mia Whitesong leads the break, and Maya Grant with another fourth quarter finish. Jenna Walling with the J. Maya Whitesong adds the dagger from deep, and the Canes win it 70-51.
Now let's look at highlights from the boys' game.
And now the starting lineups for your First Baptist Hurricane. Number 11, Malachi Antrim. Number 15, Luke Perizzi. Number 33, Jacob Crawford. Number 2, Colin McKenzie. Number 20, Gabe Glazer.
First quarter, Mikey Blandon gets the hustle points with an offensive rebound and putback. Rain Honeycutt with a strong move and finishes through the contact with the transfer and air win. Adonis Cole gets on the floor to recover the loose ball and works it around to Colin McKenzie for 3. Malachi Anglin with the assist to big man Jacob Patrick for 2. Gabe Frazier creates some space with the dribble drive mid-range J. Adonis Cole doubles up PCA 62-31 in the third. But Cole cleans it up and the Canes take this one 79-41.
For the first Friday night home game, the Canes extended a not-so-friendly welcome to Oceanside Collegiate. Let's pick up with action from the Lady Canes basketball team. The Hurricanes win the tip and work the ball around half court. Maya Grant feeds Tiana Span for the high percentage shot. The Canes go around the horn once more and find Marissa Arrigo for 2. Lexi Grant snatches the ball away from the Land Sharks and finishes on the other end. Mia Whitesong buries it from long range. Now we go to second half action. Lexi Grant drives and comes up short, but Marissa Arrigo is there for the putback. Kennedy Ray with the drive and the finish, and the Canes wash up the Land Sharks 67-35.
Now let's take the highlights from the boys game. First Baptist boys trailing early. Colin McKenzie finds Jacob Crawford. Luke Rucci evens it up with a strong finish at the rim. Sincere Brown with the smooth hook gives the Canes a 3-point lead. Second half action, and Oceanside has the lead until Colin McKenzie hits the 3-pointer. Mikey Blandon ignites a huge third quarter run with his effort on the boards. Fouled on the putback, he finishes at the free throw stripe. Adonis Cole with the flush and the foul. He misses the free throw, but Mikey Blandon gets the offensive rebound and finishes. Blandon will not be denied as he picks up another offensive board and bucket. Sincere Brown uses his length to give the Canes a 12-point lead after the foul shot, and the Canes turn back the Land Sharks 68-58.